Good morning, students. Today I have selected this video for the students of class 10th. I will teach you in mathematics exercise 1.2. See here, first of all, multiple choice type questions. The question first is here, prime factors of 256 is. Prime factors of 256 is option number 1 A, 2 into 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 2. Okay, this option. Option number B is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. C number is also 2 is multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and D is 2 into 2 into 2. It means 4 options are given here. Okay, we have to select here which option is correct. So we have to find prime factors of 256. So we can factorize it in this way: 256 divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1 2 8 ja 16, again 2 6 ja 12. 2 4 ja 8, again 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, again 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, again 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, and 2 1 ja 2. Now again we can write in this way: the prime factors of 256 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means 8 times of 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. We can write here 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is correct prime factor of 256. Now we can check our option which consists 8 times 2. Means 2 is multiplied by 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is correct answer because here is given 2 multiplied by 8 times. Okay, so our option A is correct. We can write here option A. Option A is correct. We can write here option A is correct. Clear? Because we got here 8 times 2. So we can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times only. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times only. Here 1, 2, 3 times only. Means we have to search that option which consists 2 multiplied by 8 times. So option A is correct. Now again we can see here how can we factorize it. 256 is written as it is, and after that it is even number, so we can divide it by 2. First of all, 2 1 ja 2, now 5, 2 2 ja 4, 1 carry, and 16, 2 8 ja 16, now 2 6 ja 12, and 8 is here, 2 4 ja 8. Now again taking 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4. Now again 2 1 ja 2, 1 carry, and it becomes 12, 2 6 ja 12. Now 2 8 ja 16, again 8 is divided by 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, and again 2 1 ja 2. Now in this way we can say we find 8 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now we can search here. This option is right. Option A is correct. Now in second question, same as we have to find prime factors of 176 each. Question is given, what is the correct option of prime factor of 176 each? Okay, so we first of all solve it. Prime factors of 176, we can solve it as previous in this question we have solved, same as here. This is even number, we can try first of all by 2. 2 8 ja 16, 1 carry, 16 2 8 ja 16. Now again 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, again 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, again 2 1 ja 2 and 2 1 ja 2. Again 11 1 ja 11. Now we can find here that 1 2 3 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4. 4 times 2 and last one is 11. Okay, so we have to find this one in which option consists. Here is 1 2 3 3 times 2, but we have 1 2 3 4 times 2. 1 2 3 4 times 2 and 11 is also. This is correct answer, but we can search again. Here 3 into 3 into 9, here 2 into 2 into 13. So we have to search 4 times 2 and multiply by 11. Okay, so option B is correct. In this way we can find any prime factor of any number. We can find prime factor of any number. Okay, we can solve in this way. Okay, now we study next questions. You can screenshot here. Okay, now we see here question number 3. Means this question belongs to very short answer type questions. Okay, question 3 is find the prime factor of 12,673. Now we can solve as question number 1 and 2 we had solved here. So prime factor of 12,673 is, now in this way we can find here 12,673. So it will cancel out by first of all 19, because you can get no other number can be cancelled out of 12,673. Means this number cannot be cancelled out by other than these numbers. Okay, so we get here 19 6 ja, first of all 114. After that we get 12 here. After that 21 27. Now again 19 6 ja 114, and now we can solve here. Means 13 is remainder, 3 is again 133. 19 7 ja 133. So it is cancelled out here. Now again this will be cancelled out by 23. 23 2 ja 22 3 ja 46 and 3 ja 69. It goes out more than 66. So we consider here 2 times. 23 2 ja 46 and 46 plus 20 66 means 20 remainder and here 7 207. 23 9 ja 207. Okay, now we again 29 1 ja 29. Clear? So in this way we got here 19 into 23 into 29 means 19 into 23 into 29. This is our prime factor. This is